Shanghai has taken strict and swift measures to stem new COVID-19 infections that have emerged in the city recently. To control the new infections, nucleic acid testing has been carried out for high-risk groups along the main roads. At a testing site in the city's Jing'an district, medical staff conducted over 5,000 tests from last Friday to Saturday. To avoid crowd gathering, people waiting for the nucleic acid test are required to stand in pre-arranged standpoints and keep a 1-meter distance from each other. Volunteers are also seen to offer guidance, communication and translation services for foreigners at the scene. In the first 2 months of 2022, the megacity, with a population of nearly 25 million, has logged 1,243 confirmed COVID-19 cases arriving from outside the Chinese mainland, accounting for about 38% of total such cases on the mainland. The number is also roughly equivalent to 80% of Shanghai's total imported cases last year.